Hello, and thanks for tuning in to our weekly mortgage and economics segment. I'm Megan Abdelaziz, Real Estate SINY.com's mortgage and economics reporter. The mortgage rates decreased slightly this week with optimism in the recent economic data and the Federal Open Market Committee keeping their quantitative easing program running for a while longer. The 30-year fixed rate is now down to 4.39%. The 15-year fixed rate is down to 3.42%. And the 5-year adjustable rate is down to 3.28%. To begin this week, we will look at the financial markets, then we will dive into the housing market reports, economic indicator reports, Americans' confidence in the economy, and reports on mortgage applications. The stock markets had a good start between Thursday, November 14th and Monday, November 18th, but then were on a decline until Wednesday, November 20th. On Thursday, the Dow Jones opened at about 15,806, and it climbed up to a record closing high of about 15,976 by that Monday. But by closing bell that Wednesday, it was back down to about 15,900. The S&P 500 opened that Thursday at about 1,782, and increased to its record closing high of about 1,798 by Friday, November 15th. From there, it declined down to about 1,781 by closing bell that Wednesday. The 10-year U.S. Treasury bond yield had a slightly steady ride between that Thursday and Wednesday, but it increased a decent amount on Wednesday. On Thursday, the yield was at 2.69%. And by Wednesday, it was up to 2.80%. The declines in the stock markets and the increase in the bond yields on Wednesday were due to the release of the Federal Open Market Committee's meeting minutes, which brought investors' concerns back on that they might reduce the stimulus of the quantitative easing program soon. The two housing market reports we took a look at this week were for housing affordability and existing home sales. On Thursday, November 14th, the National Association of Home Builders Wells Fargo Housing Opportunity Index was released by the National Association of Home Builders. In the third quarter of 2013, the Housing Opportunity Index decreased yet again. It is now down to 6.5%, and the national median home price increased up to $211,000. As the Housing Opportunity Index declines, less homes on the market are actually affordable to families that have a median income. On Wednesday, November 20th, October's existing home sales report was released by the National Association of Realtors. In their report, it shows that existing home sales dropped 3.2%, but they are still 6% above where they were in October 2012. The inventory of existing homes for sale at the end of October was down to 2.13 million, and the national median existing home price was up to $199,500. The economic indicator reports we took a look at were for the Consumer Price Index and the advanced sales of retail and food services. First, on Wednesday, November 20th, the Bureau of Labor Statistics released their Consumer Price Index report for October. According to the report, the Consumer Price Index for all urban consumers actually decreased 0.1%, which is the first decrease we have seen in this indicator in 5 months. Second, also on that Wednesday, the U.S. Department of Commerce released a report on October's advanced monthly sales for retail and food services. In October, the report shows an increase in the advanced estimate of sales for retail and food services by 0.4%. Bringing it up to $428.1 billion. The last 3 reports we took a look at were on Americans' confidence in the economy and 2 reports on mortgage applications. Gallup.com released their report on Americans' economic confidence level for the week of November 11th through November 17th on Tuesday, November 19th. In their poll on Americans' net ratings of economic outlook, it came back with results showing that 61% of Americans think that the economy is getting worse, and 35% think that it is getting better. In their poll on Americans' net ratings of current economic conditions, the results show that 38% of Americans feel the current conditions are poor, and 16% now feel that they are excellent or good. With these slightly more optimistic views, it gave Gallup an economic confidence index of -24 for that week. On Thursday, November 14th, the Mortgage Bankers Association released their report on new home sale mortgage applications submitted. This is their builder application survey for October, and it showed an increase of 11% for new home sale applications. In the report, they also stated that the average loan size for new home applications increased to $294,480. Lastly, the Mortgage Bankers Association released their weekly mortgage application survey for the week ending November 15th, on Wednesday, November 20th. In the report for that week, their market composite index decreased 2.3%. and their refinance index decreased 7%, which also pushed the amount of refinances applied for down to 64%. As for their purchase index, it increased 6% for that week. Next week, we will only have a couple of economic reports to review, so make sure you check back with us to see where the mortgage rates do go next. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Google+, Twitter, and Pinterest. And don't forget, you can read the full mortgage and economic report on trendingsiny.com, which is a division of realestatesiny.com. Also, you can click the subscribe button to be kept up to date on all of our latest video segments here on YouTube. Realestatesiny.com is a full-service real estate brokerage located on Staten Island. If you're looking to buy or sell your home, you can contact us at 718-966-9669, and one of our experienced agents will gladly help you. If you simply just want to browse the latest listings or keep up with the market statistics, you can visit our website at realestatesiny.com.